Welcome to this guided meditation designed to lead you into a state of deep inner peace and mindfulness. Let's embark on this journey together. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension. As you continue to breathe deeply, focus on the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Feel your chest and belly rise and fall. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Now visualize a serene and beautiful place. A sanctuary where you feel completely safe and at peace. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountain, or any place that resonates with you. In this place, you are free from all worries and stress. The only thing that exists here is peace, tranquility, and your own breathing. With every breath, imagine a wave of calmness washing over you. Each wave takes away stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts. Feel yourself becoming lighter and more at peace. If your mind starts to wander, gently acknowledge those thoughts and then bring your focus back to your breath and this peaceful place. Remember, it's natural for the mind to wander. The practice is in bringing it back to the moment. Now, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present. Feel the surface beneath you. Listen to the sounds around you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time for self-care and mindfulness. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day.